So we're gonna do a little closed form lidded jar. So this is how to do. You throw a little closed form figure, and what you do is you use like some sort of device, and you put them a chopstick, and so you throw the whole closed form look like this. And once you're done, you letter hard and you trim the pot. So this would be like that, and this is the key. So I'm gonna try to make a closed one. Okay. There you go. So you want the center. This is about 3.5 pounds. I think I just did it. 3.5 pounds. Now I'll try to weigh them. Center and well. Open. Okay, and then you compress. I just want to make sure it has a flat bottom in there, so I compress it. Okay. And once I establish the base, I'm gonna throw.
Rib. Look almost a search for.
So I'm gonna do that again. One more time.
Good workout. I know. I'm kind of conservative
I saw that.
One more time. Just because I can. It's okay. Alright. Casual. So I pull 3. This is my 4th time, right? So always notice I actually try to keep the taper shape, because if you start stretching your clay out, that means you take so much energy to bring them in. So you always keep the taper. So I try to kind of cut off the unevenness right here. Okay, now I'm gonna shape. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this. I'm gonna start using the double rib that I usually use for shaping. These are from galvanized sheet metals from Home Depot or Lowe's, whatever. I'm gonna do it. Push the clay. It's called shaping, and it depends on the size, the shape that you want it. Still keeping the top a little close again. Since I'm gonna make the lid too, that means I need to have a closed one. So I want to make sure that I don't want to open too wide. Again, I'm gonna close it now, so I want to make sure the inside is dry too. So I'm gonna do it again one more time. Push it out. So now I'm compressing my clay, same time throwing my clay. I'm actually gonna use a soft rib, which is, let's see, this one right here. I'm gonna shape the surface. One more time. So can you kind of see where the lid's gonna be right in here? Sort of from here. I can make it very distinct. Okay. Now I'm gonna try to close them. Closing them is by, I like to squeeze it with my index and my thumb and then my pinky, and kind of squeeze them together. When I do that at the same time, I try to compress the clay. One more time. It won't let me do it.
Then you can go through because you got that texture.
Put this right here. Right here. I'm gonna try to close it. Again.
Once you feel the ribs below,
I'll try to push the top together to close it. So hopefully trap the airs in there so I can make my lid. Oh my god, this is a bad lid. We'll do it again. Doesn't work out. I think I closed it a little too, leaving a little too little. I don't like this. Anyway, then once you kind of start it right here, I might need to have to do it again. I don't like this one. We'll see. That is just such a set handle. Then, here's the things. Close one. Depends on where you want your lid. You want a tall lid, a small lid, big lid, or a lot of lid right in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push the clay in. So that will be your, where's that little jar go? Right in here. And then when it's like this and you cut it and trim it, that's going to be a fit lily jar with a key in there. And so inside should be, let me see what this look like. I think I didn't leave enough clay. So let's see.
you know what you told me.
So this right here, and you can see if you cut it right here, right? You're gonna trim a little bit. That's gonna be a complex lid. If you cut it right here, you spit it down. It's gonna be a simple lid. That make sense? That's it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.